Hello everyone. This is my trade, pound USD trade on April 5th, using my Magic IP system. You can see the entry is here, the trade is here. SL move to break even. This is one other trade, and I'm starting from today. So another one today was pound yen 20-minute on April the 5th, right? Entry was here. And it's because of the pound weakness, all pound pair went down, and I just took these two entries. But pound CAD, pound Aussie, and pound NZD also gave beautiful entries. But I just took these two. Going back on the April 3rd, Euro Yen going to the upside. Entry is here using Magic IP system. Beautiful setup. Indicators all the way down. And this is long, same setup, same story. Pound USD going to the upside on the 3rd. Today was just the down move, right? And then Aussie yen on the 3rd, April 3rd, going to the upside from support to resistance. From 78.55 straight up to 79.39. Powerful weekly low resistance. And April 2nd, there was pound NZD. Entry was here, all the way up, down, very wobbly, but EUR-CAD on the April 2nd, beautiful down move. I missed all of these, but caught the last move. And also on the 2nd April is Aussie CAD, 20-minute setup, beautiful setup, all the way down. This is indicators all the way up. Blue candle turns into red, nice and clean entry. And this is how this Magic IV system works, and it's very easy. It's just a matter of learning a little bit, and that's it. Other than that, I wanted to show you that this is one of the chart that I made. This is also what I teach in my webinar, like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, this, that, online yard. For example, this is the chart that crab pattern was finished and start to playing around on 26th March, right? And this is NZD CAD 4-hour chart. So I posted this chart, that this is how it is. The crab pattern is this is the diagram that I made. And monthly chart I'm posting here, that this is also like a trend line touch, monthly high with a nice resistance there and good chance to drop. What happened to this pair? Drop 250 pip in a straight, boom, all the way. This is the pattern, right? So this is how powerful it is. So I do teach all of that. Plus the Magic IV system is the perfect way to make very safe, sound, and beautiful entries. Precise. As soon as you make entry, you are positive, you go in the positive direction. And always the SL is always 25 pips. So once in a while, even if you lose 25 pip, but if you make hundreds of pips. That's how the system is. And if you like what you saw, just go on my website, subscribe. Here's the website. Let me show it to you. It's right there. You see this? On my website, you can just see a lot of other pages here, different, before and after previous recordings. This is only for subscribers, right? And you can see all my old trades here. Last week before that, all of that. Since 22 March, this pound Aussie move, 190 pip. This pound USD, 100 pip, right? Also, if when you join my Telegram channel, which is this is how it is, and you can see here all these posting the charts and heads up about the news, about the setups, upcoming setups. Yen index dropping, watch all pairs like this, right? So yen index, this is the chart, yeah, yen index chart, and it will drop eventually. It didn't drop. See this one I posted here, and go take a look. Pound Aussie, not pound Aussie, pound index. It was hitting here, and then all right from there it dropped all the way down here. Right now it is here somewhere, and that because of that, all pound pair went down. Okay, so this is how it is. If you like what you saw, just like I said, go on my website, subscribe, and start trading. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.